This package has just arrived from the UK, from Colt Pens. It's a Sailor fountain pen. It's a Sailor 911, white with gold trim, with medium nib. That's the box it comes in, beautifully presented. We'll lift that up, we'll see what's underneath. The converter to go with the pen. And instructions. How to fit the converter, how to fill it, etc. Beautifully lined box. That's the converter. We'll fit that in later on. But first up, we'll have a look at the pen. I'll slide it out from under there. Leave the converter, put that over there. Undo the top. Sealed in, I'll have to cut that off. Slide the pen out. There's the packaging. 911 white gold trim fountain pen, 21K nib. That's the pen. It's a larger cigar-shaped pen, gold trim. The band there says Sailor, Japan, 1911. Beautifully shiny. Unscrew the cap. That there, the nib, is the reason that people buy Sailor pens. They made a tradition out of manufacturing superb nibs. Serious technology has gone into their research and development, and they are supposedly superb to write with. The 14K nib is very good, but the 21K nib is supposed to be even better. So we'll find out about that relatively soon. That's the cap. We'll undo the barrel from the pen. That's the 21 karat gold alloy nib. The feed underneath. That's where we're going to put the converter. I'll have to cut that out of the packaging. Shake it out. There's the converter that screws in on a piston. That's how it is filled. That's how the pen is filled. The pen also takes Sailor ink cartridges that in there, place them in there, and then tighten the barrel. As you do that, the bottom of the ink cartridge is pierced by that piece in there, and the ink will flow through. Directions for use with the ink converter. We'll put that aside. The converter just pushes firmly into there. We'll put the barrel back on again. Tighten it up. The pen is now ready to be filled with ink. .21K nib. I look forward to writing with that in a few moments once we fill it up with ink. Put the cap on again. Tighten it down. I've been waiting for this pen for some period of time so I can check out the .21K nib, and it's now arrived.